pick it up.
What's this? Oh, that's yes, this weapon. Okay, ready? Open.
Oh wow, the two of you get to go. You guys can. You have to wait for snow now, but look, you both have sleds,
So we don't have to use the orange.
so you don't have to share.
So we don't have to use the orange. Wait, I mean, that's like this. Oh, my God.
We got one more present, Lexi.
You get a.
Lexi, oh, careful.
Probably the same as this present. Okay, mine's so weird.
We got a box.
You got a big old box, Blake. Yay! Ooh, Lexi, what'd you get, honey? Blake, careful. That is some technique.
How is that? I want to
What is it, Lexi?
Oh my. Can you open this? I don't know what this thing is.
Whoa!
Whoa, what's Tinkerbell? Tinkerbell wax. Can you open this?
Wow, that's very impressive, Lexi.